everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Grounded Grower. If you are new here, my name is Rajiv and I'm coming to you from the scenic town of Hampi, Karnataka. It's January and the weather is perfect to start sowing seeds for a new growing season. And today I'll going to show you how I sow seeds in a seedling tray. Let's get started. I'm using seeds and a seedling tray and potting mix from Organic Bazaar. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this myself to ensure that I get the best quality for my garden. The potting mix is light and well draining, which is exactly what seeds needs to germinate. Fill each shell of the tray with the mix, pressing it gently to make sure there are no air pockets in it. Next, take your seeds. Today I'm going to take some mix of vegetables that will thrive in this season. Now take 1 or 2 seeds. The first seeds I'm starting it's with lobia. It's cowpea. Don't bury them too deep. Just about twice the diameter of the size of the seeds. Now it's time for the purple cauliflower. Just before I start, I just put them in tag. It's cowpea. Now I'm going to use the cauliflowers. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. Like I'm going to use 2 seeds. Oh, I lost 1 seed. So here's the tag. Cauliflower. Boom. And now I'm going to save the seeds in case they don't grow. At least I'll be having some seeds like as a backup. Now it's time for the muskmelon. Like I have only 12 seeds of muskmelon. And I do one thing, I just put one each. And one of the seeds I feel like it's very weak, so I'm going to put 2 of them. Even I have one more very weak seed. Here it is. So I'm going to do the same thing with it. And I'm going to put 2. Even here, one more very weak seed. Now it's time for the watermelon. It's yellow watermelon. Like I have seen yellow watermelon when I was in Gokarna. And I always wanted to grow it, and this is my first time I'm going to grow like watermelon, like yellow watermelon. Even I have seen like that blue watermelons. Guys, do comment in the comment section if you have seen the blue ones. I have only seen in the internet, but I have never seen in my life. But I have seen the yellow one. Even I tasted it. It's really tasty. Press it a little bit down. Where did my seed go? I found it. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of potting mix and pat it down gently to ensure good seed to soil contact. Now water the tray lightly. I prefer using a spray bottle to avoid displacing the seeds. Keep the tray in a spot that gets indirect sunlight and make sure the soil stays moist, not soggy. I don't use any fancy greenhouses or tunnels. I just grow them naturally. I don't use any fertilizers as well, and I believe in nature to do its own things and keep the things simple. Okay, let's see after a week or 2.